I'm sure we've all eaten oats for breakfast, as in oatmeal or porridge. But how many of us know about oats as medicine? Perhaps you've also had oat straw tea, which is replete in nutritive mineral actions that support the bones and connective tissue. However, I'm guessing that the form of medicine we're talking about is less familiar. And that is Milky oat tincture, the ultimate in stress relief. Milky oat tincture is an easy to grow and make medicine that gently and over time restores the body's capacity to respond to stress. And in a world that continually encourages us to go more and more, and do more and be more, often the sacrifice is our personal health. Now this medicine, Milky oat tincture, is the medicine for our times. Frazzled, frayed nerves, feeling stressed and overwhelmed, Milky oat tincture can help. The nervous system is the first thing to go when we live our life on overload for too long or on lockdown. The nurturing milky tonic action of the tincture feeds this stressed and overtaxed nervous system, rejuvenating it over time. And it's easy to grow. Now you're looking at oats, and some of these oats are in the milky phase, which means when you squish it, you're going to get a white milk that squirts out. See that? Squirting out there? Can you see the milk? So when you have oats that are in the milk phase, you want to harvest them immediately. And the way you do that, in these milky oats we're about to make a tincture with, is you need some grain alcohol. So first you take the milky oat and you just strip it straight up. Now you have the milky oats. And then you take these milky oats and you soak them in grain alcohol, preferably organic. And then you bring them to your food processor and you process it immediately because you want to release the milk into the tincture. Then you let it sit in a cool, dark place for about 6 weeks and you have unlimited amounts of medicine. Stress reduction, Milky oat tincture. Now growing oats is easy. I can let some of these go to seed and plant some more in the fall. But your optimum growing is a soil temperature of 45 to 55 degrees. And this is our crop that we planted in Pagosa, and it's now milky at the end of June. You can see we're here in the whole oat hill. I just planted some more oats down in another location that's in a shade area, and that will produce milky oats as well. But a lot of these oats are past the milk phase. Oh, there's a milky. But the ones that are milky we're going to make some tincture with because it's extremely effective. There's the milk. Let's see if I can squirt another one live. Boom. Milk. So, easy to grow oats. They only take about a month and a half to get to this stage. And what you want to do is, as they're emerging and they're dropping the oat, you want to come check on them frequently by squeezing them. And what you'll find is that in a certain week, they will be at the milky phase that only lasts a few days per plant. And so you want to harvest the oat straight off of a single shaft. So if I find this is a milky oat here, which it is, I just grab the shaft and pull straight up. And all those oats come out. Then I soak it in grain alcohol, run it through a food processor to get that milk into the tincture, and let it sit in a cool, dark place for 6 weeks. Then you strain it with a coffee filter, put it in droppers, and use accordingly. It's that simple. Hope you got something out of the video. The pharmaceutical industry is not the answer. It's the problem. The answer is in plant medicine, which you can grow yourself quite easily. Subscribe to the channel, share this with like-minded people, and make milky oat tincture now for the benefit of your family and your community. Be safe. We love you. Meow. The lady. Well,